Hi guys, Dave's here. Now I guess you're wondering why I've got some Oreos here and some milk. Well, how many people out there likes Oreos? I've liked the Oreos since I was a kid. And I'm going to make a giant wooden Oreo that looks like this. So if you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. You know, I think I'm going to eat me some Oreos. Oh yes, I've done. No. While I eat a few more Oreos, you can watch how I made it. Okay guys, now the paint's dry and everything. The centerpiece is going to be the white filling. Now I did paint on the edge here just a little bit because it's going to show up here. So let me lay one down. So yes, got some Top Bond 2 glue. Put a little bit in the center. Stick her piece on there. And try to center it up. Just a little more. Okay, now let's let this dry for a couple hours and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Giant Oreo. Well, I'll tell you what, this thing almost looks good enough to eat. Fella would have to have a big glass of milk for this one. But I think it turned out pretty good. It looks like a giant cookie. Maybe a little bit more stuffing than most of them. Maybe it's that double stuffing. But this is another project we can do under CNC, guys. Thanks for watching.